Lean Sigma, as the name implies, is the combination of Lean and Six Sigma, the two most powerful business improvement tools developed in the past 100 years. To understand Lean Sigma, it's helpful to see how it evolved. Let's start with the lean part. Traditional manufacturing is rooted in the ability to efficiently produce high quantities of products. This is known as mass production, and first became possible back in the 1800s, when the Springfield Armory in Massachusetts began using interchangeable parts and standardized production methods. However, mass production created a new set of issues, namely large inventories and a high potential for obsolescence, as products sat around for months and years without being sold, problems that manufacturers still struggle with today. Another milestone occurred when Henry Ford developed a modern assembly line and began churning out Model Ts by the millions, making the automobile an affordable reality for the first time. But there was no production flexibility at Ford. Each of the early Model Ts was exactly the same. As the joke went at the time, you can have it in any color, as long as it's black. Enter Taiichi Ohno in the 1950s, who worked for a small and nearly bankrupt automobile manufacturer in Japan named Toyota. At the time, Toyota was under enormous pressure to cut costs and increase efficiency. Ohno went to the United States to study Ford's assembly lines, and he also visited another American phenomenon, the supermarket. Ohno returned to Japan and with his colleagues at Toyota developed the Toyota production system, widely considered the finest manufacturing model in the world and the foundation of lean manufacturing. In the 50s, when Ohno was developing their production system, Toyota didn't sell enough of a single model to justify Ford's mass production techniques, and they couldn't afford the complex machinery thought to be the key to increasing productivity. So Ohno and his team had to work with what they had. Essentially, they set out to develop a poor man's version of the Ford production system. They focused on relentlessly eliminating wasted time and activity in every part of the manufacturing process. As a result, they were able to dramatically cut costs and production lead times. They also developed a breakthrough process for rapidly changing over equipment and production lines to produce different models. As a result, Toyota was able to make a variety of models on the same production line faster and more efficiently than their giant competitors, a critical competitive advantage. Today, Toyota sells about 7 million Toyota and Lexus vehicles a year and is one of the world's most respected and profitable manufacturers. In recent years, Dell Computer, considered by many to be America's most efficient manufacturer, has rocketed past all their competitors in the computer business, using the tools of the Toyota production system and lean manufacturing. Those are also the tools we will be using in your Lean Sigma transformation.